For this part, we'll be doing the eyes, nose, teeth and coloring them. If you are new here, sub, you will not regret. Let's hop now and start. Let's make this fin look more big and proper. You'll see what I mean. Let me adjust it now. A loop. Arrange it proper. Now I'll make a bend to the fin. Let's add a loop to the body. Arrange it. Select, then dissolve. Proportional. Adjust it. The fin more to the ground. Now make it proper. Also making the cut. Let's make the body narrow in the middle. Now shark's eyes. This is for the bump, same for the other side. Let's make the eyes segment 10, rings 6, add subdivision. Now placing it. Shade smooth both eye and the body. Let's make him breathe, so making the gills. Keep face selected to move it inside. Shark nose. The other side also. Bring the other eye also. Texture paint. Now name shark skins white star 2. Shading. Remove all. I'll only keep what we need. New. Search. Texture image. Shark skins. To UV editing. Mark all the middle holding shift. Press U, mark seams, go on other side, unwrap, now save. Go to shading, add texture coordinate, mapping, separate XYZ, color ramp, general to vector, vector to vector, add mix RGB, color to color 1, add one more color, color to color 1, check the white, grey, shark hex color on Google. Copy on hex of the color ramp. Take the white, paste. Now purple, paste. Now connect it. Adjusting the color ramp. to half purple and white. Mix RGB. Add mix RGB. Image texture to color texture paint. We are doing the white spot on the gray white shark. Copy. Random clouds, dab everywhere. Save. Cycle GPU. Adding a player. Shade smooth plane. Let's name the eyes left and right. Adding light for the scene. Increase 1100 volts. Duplicate it. Bring it down. Select the eye. Go to texture paint. Name shark eye. Image texture. Texture paint. We need it black, so don't change anything now. The other eye. Take the same texture. On cycles, decrease roughness. The other eye to select the body. Color to roughness. Let's do the teeth of the shark. Arranging it all. Making it like a teeth now. Shade smooth. And duplicate it one at a time. Arrange it to bottom teeth. Select the upper. Duplicate to other side. Arrange it. Bring the other two also. Duplicate it again for front teeth. Arrange it. Duplicate again. Placing. It's done. For now, see you in the next part. Peace.